For expectant moms like me, we'll give you some simple tips in organizing your own baby shower party. First, we have to consider the venue. It has to be accessible and can accommodate the number of guests that you plan to invite. Next is theme. Of course, big factor kung anong gender ng ating baby. That would match the styling of the venue. Pwede rin tayo mag-consult ng event stylist like Alvin Cabrera, who is more expert on how to decorate the venue, from table centerpiece, accents, and even color motif.
Alvin Cabrera's event styling is located at our Papa Manila. You can contact us at 0908-430-0831, landline number 294-4122.
Sa food, pwede rin tayo maglagay ng food carts for appetizers and snacks. At sa main course, nandyan syempre ang buffet catering that will satisfy the cravings of our guests. Kung may mga batang guests, kailangan din natin silang i-consider. Kaya naman, meron din tayong tinatawag na cupcake making. Hindi na rin mawawala ang mga giveaways that will serve as a remembrance for our guests. At isa nga sa magandang idea to give away this summer ay ang mga fans from Obranico.
Kailan nyo pa po in-start yung business na to?
February 2015.
Feb of 2015, ayan. So, it's been 2 years, ano? Oo, bakit ito po yung napili ninyo?
Na-realize ko kasi na marami palang may gustong pamaypay, tas mahilig din po ako sa art.
Oo nga kasi yung fans po ng Obranico, kung mapapansin ninyo, no, meron din pang kids no, na pwedeng kulayan. Coloring fans, ayan. At ito, napakagaan. So, madali siyang gamitin. And at the same time, ayan, magaganda yung art. So, kayo po ang gumagawa ito o meron talagang artists?
Kami po yung gumagawa ng pamaypay, tapos yung painting po galing sa Antipolo din ng mga artists.
No matter how simple we celebrate it, as long as we're with our family and loved ones, the most important thing is that we welcome the newest member of our family with love and care.